Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a holiday soft glam look with a bold lip. And these type looks are my favorite because they're so easy and they're so freaking cute. So yeah, if you're trying to get this look or if you're interested in just looking good, stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and my eyebrow powder by Milani. And the Anastasia Dip Brow is in dark brown. And I'm just using that to fill in my eyebrows. I do both because I don't like my eyebrows so dark. Next, I'm using my LA Pro Girls concealer in Toffee. And I'm just using that to clean up the top and the bottom of my brows. I usually like to clean up just the bottom, but my eyebrows look terrible, so I had to do both. So yes, top and bottom it is. Next, I'm just going to use my double-sided Sephora brush just to clean up. And I'm using the fluffy side of that brush. And this is my favorite brush to clean up my brows with because it's so, like, I don't know, it makes it flawless. Like, when I blend it, it looks so flawless. Like, you guys will see, like, it's so flawless. Flawless. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, next I'm just gonna take my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush whatever like I missed, just to make my eyebrows, you know the drill. Next I'm taking my Anastasia eyebrow gel. This stuff is heaven. My eyebrows stay on. I could take a shower, I could jump in the pool, I could just lay in the bed all day and my eyebrows still on. So next I'm just taking my primer and my Benefit POREfessional primer. Best primer ever. And then next I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Putting that on the back of my hand. This foundation is the best. I have really oily skin even in the winter time, so it's just like my favorite because it stays matte and dry. And I'm using my little silicone what do you even call these things, like a silicone tapper, I don't know. And I'm using my big not kabuki brush, but my big stippling brush by Sephora. From Sephora. And I'm just really just blending that all in. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer in Deep. This is the best concealer ever. Yeah, best concealer ever. Definitely purchase. You won't be mad, okay? Next, I'm just gonna take my Wet Beauty blender. This beauty blender is actually by Real Techniques, but it was part of their like diamond collection, and y'all, I got it so cheap. Like, if y'all want to see me shop for makeup, like really shop for makeup for the low, just let me know because I be really getting stuff for like $3. Like, this beauty blender was $3. Okay, so next I'm just taking my my Anastasia foundation stick. Okay, y'all, I was trying to contour, but y'all can see this color was not dark enough for me. But makeup artists just keep it pushing. Like, we don't let nothing phase us. We work with it. And so I'm just taking the same brush that I used for my foundation just to blend that in because I knew that wasn't going to work. So I didn't want to, mess up anything. Next, I'm taking my Airspun powder and I'm just going to set all my concealer, all my areas where I put my concealer, just so I don't get any wrinkles. Not wrinkles, but, creases and all that extra. You got to stay matte. Got to stay, And next I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to use a contour in there just to fix my contour that I tried to, do with the Anastasia stick. That didn't really go too well. But, yeah, powders always save your life, believe it or not. Next I'm just taking this brush I got from the beauty supply store just to contour my nose. It's really an eyeshadow brush, but I only use it to contour my nose. So yeah, $2. Girl, get you one. Next I'm going into my Morphe palette. I believe this palette is called the About Last Night, and I'm just going into the color Make Out. I'm sorry, going into the color Make Out, and I'm taking my MAC 224 brush and I'm just putting that in my crease. Like I said before, this is a really simple eyeshadow look, so I didn't really want to do too much shadow. I'm going to my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette, and I'm taking my favorite transition nude, and I'm just mixing that all into the Make Out color that I use from the Morphe palette. So yeah, just working that in there. Like I said, not too many shadows, simple. And I'm taking an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going into the color Bottle Service. This goldy, I don't want to say glittery gold, but it was like a golden, like, I don't know. Y'all know, y'all could tell what it was, but that color was bomb. Like, I was scared to use it. I was going to do some pink, but I'm like, girl, put some gold on there. And I'm just taking the same 224 brush from before, and I'm just blending it out all in so it could look seamless. I'm going to my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I really forgot the color of that, so I'm gonna put it in the description box. So yeah, I'm just putting that color in my crease. I believe it was like a little golden color. As y'all can see, I have lash extensions, and I didn't want the powder to look like, you know, doughy, like a doughboy. So I was just brushing them out, because who would want to look like a flower girl, literally. I'm taking my NYX Black Eyeliner, just going under my eyes. I love black eyeliner. This is what I really started with when I started doing makeup, like black eyeliner and some lip gloss. And I'm going back into that same color we started with, Make Out, in my Morphe palette, and I'm putting that under my eyes just to smoke it out a little tiny bit, not too much. Next, we're going in with my blush. I got this blush from the beauty supply store, y'all. It was from Nika K, I believe. Yeah, and then I'm just going to my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, putting that under my lash, at my bottom lashes. Actually, y'all, that lip liner, I don't remember where I got it from. It was in a palette. I mean, it was in like a gift bag box, whatever. So yeah, it's just a dark lip liner. The closest one you could get to it is Vino by MAC. And next, I'm just using Sephora's liquid matte lipstick, and it is called Crimson Crush. Yes, Crimson Crush. My favorite dark lipstick. I love dark lipsticks, if you didn't know. Well, y'all probably don't know, but I love dark lipsticks. They're my fave. They just, I don't know, dark lipsticks are a thing. I forgot the name of that setting powder, so just setting spray. Check the description box, because yeah. And I'm using my my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. And I believe I'm using the color Bronzer or something like that. I'll put it in the description box. But yeah, I'm just using a regular highlighting brush by Real Techniques. And yes, like, I hope y'all enjoyed. This was like a really quick video. I've been MIA, so I had to come back and give y'all a little glam. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys. Love you. Mwah.